Alright, good morning. It's about 7:45 in the morning on Wednesday, okay, May 26th. And we have some chicken legs. That's the second to the last pack from that big old 20-pound box I had. So we're going to do a brine, and we're going to let this sit all the way until we're almost ready to cook it. And then we're going to dip it in buttermilk, a nice crust, and get it fried up. We're going to have red beans and rice with the smoked sausage in it and some broccoli and cheese on the side. So let's do this brine. A brine is what you make it. It's usually half sugar, half water, or sugar, salt, and water. It's got to be water, but sugar, salt, whatever you want to use. I'm throwing in everything for flavor. I got some green onion stalks. I had a baby tangerine. We're going to use fresh orange peel. And clementine skin. Throw that up in there. Okay. I usually keep celery, so we'll do 2 celery stalks. I'm going to break them in half and rinse them off first. Alright, got them nice and rinsed off. We want the leaves too. Just everything, just like that. Flavor. Okay, we're talking about flavor. Take that ugly leaf off. There we go. Put them up in there. Let's take the ugly one off. There we go. Okay, it's not like you're cooking that, it's just brining. Okay, you're giving your chicken all the flavor that it needs to absorb. Let's add some more. Got some fresh garlic, about 3 cloves. Take them out the skin. Alright, we got our garlic peel. That's fresh whole garlic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little butt piece off right here. That way the flavor and an aroma can set, okay? Alright, so just like that, just snip the little butt pieces off. Throw them up in there. 3 cloves of garlic. Oh my goodness, we're on a roll. What else are we missing? We got citrus. We got celery. We got fresh green onion stalks and our orange peel. What we gonna do? What's next? I guess seasoning. Let's do seasoning. Alright, we're gonna add some sugar. We're gonna add some of this good salt. Let's do a splash of apple cider vinegar. And fresh water. We're gonna let this sit all day until we're ready to make dinner. Oh, I can smell everything. Wow. Let me use this so y'all can see. Alright. So you got green onion stalks. We got a orange peel. We have celery, we have sugar, we have salt, we have 3 whole garlic cloves, okay? And we're gonna let this brine. When it's done, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna dry it with a paper towel, we're gonna dip it in buttermilk and some seasoned flour. We're gonna make some real crispy chicken, red beans and rice, okay?